Hey, welcome to my sugar skull with pinned on eyes tutorial. If you want to see how I did this, then keep watching. So firstly, using a white face paint, I mapped out the eye area and then I coloured in the rest of my face white. Next I added some white highlights around the edges of the eye area, and this is to make it look a bit more three-dimensional and to make the skin look a bit wrinkled. I wanted the eye area to look pinned onto the skull face, so I outlined it in black. I blended it out a bit with a wet paintbrush with no paint on it to make it look raised and to add some shading. And then I dipped my brush into a grey paint and a black paint, and I added these pins to the corners of the face. I then went into a black eyeshadow and started to shade around this area. This is to make it look raised from the face. I then used a flat eyeshadow brush and went into a grey eyeshadow and shaded around the white highlights. I then started to paint the sugar skull, and I first went in and painted a black skull nose. And I put red lipstick on, and this is Kat Von D's Nosferatu. I added some double dip flowers to my chin, and then I also went into a grey eyeshadow and contoured my face. I added some more flowers down the sides of the face, and then I added black designs. I added some swirls and dots and just general sugar skull things. I then went into a darker brown colour and added some more shadows to the area around the eyes. I wanted it to look as if it had been pulled across the face. I then drew on a skeleton body to the neck and to the chest. I had to double dip flowers around the rib cage and some on top of it as well. I also added some one-stroke roses. I wanted the area around the ribcage to be a reddy black colour, so I outlined some of the flowers and then coloured in the gaps. This was a bit tedious. Then using a grey face paint, I added some shading to the bones. And then off camera I just added some white dots around the flowers and added some smaller white flowers and some details to the bones using black and white, and then it was finished. So there you have it, that's my stretched on eyes sugar skull makeup and body paint. I hope you like it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day, bye.